Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to our channel Cooking to Inspire. Thank you for the amazing response you all have shown on my debut recipe, the mango cream. If you all haven't gone through, the link is shared on the I button. My new recipe is a basic Schezwan sauce with a difference. Yes, you all heard it right. It is different from the authentic Schezwan sauce because it has no preservatives and less chilies. So it's friendly on our stomach and our gut. With this Schezwan sauce, we can create various new recipes which I am going to teach you in the Schezwan Sauce series. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified on my new uploads. Thank you. Basic Schezwan sauce.
Till I get up.
For this we need ingredients: 10 red chilies which is grinded into a paste, 4 red tomatoes which is grinded into a paste, ginger, garlic, salt, sugar, spring onion, oil and vinegar. Heat the oil in the pan. Add garlic, ginger, red chili paste, onion, and the tomato puree, and saute it till the liquid dries. After approx 10 minutes, you see as the water is dried up, you add the salt, sugar, some onions for the crunchiness and tomato ketchup and mix well. It's optional. For an Indian blend you add jeera powder and lastly vinegar. See, your sauce is ready and it should be of this consistency. Now add some spring onion for garnishing and your basic sauce is ready. Enjoy yourself. You can store this sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for at least a month.